In this video, I will show you how you can create an entire team of AI agents in Claude Code that together will create a user management system with the help of a lead architect, a developer, and a tester agent. I have structured this video into 4 points. First of all, let's have a look at our Claude agent team. Then we're gonna install our Claude agent team. Then we're gonna prompt our CRUD app. And at the end, we're gonna run the CRUD app. Our team consists first of all of the lead architect, then the developer, the tester, and the architect defines the API to the developer and also makes the architecture plan. The developer reports the implementation and updates its progress. The developer builds the features and makes code reviews, and the tester reports back unit tests and bug reports. To the tester, the lead architect communicates the test strategy and the quality metrics, and the tester reports back the system tests and the validation reports. To install Claude Agent Team, first of all, we need to install Claude Code. So please go to code.claude.com. On code.claude.com, please click here on Overview, and on pricing, you see that we have 3 tiers, and you need at least the Pro tier, because when you run a team of agents, it's going to cost you a lot of tokens. So please subscribe for this Pro here. And then when you have done so, go back to the start page and then copy this command here and open up a new terminal. So in my case, I have Linux, but for Mac OS or Windows, it should be the same. And then paste this command and execute it. So now this can take a while. Okay, now that we have successfully installed Claude, we can create our project folder. So I'm going to create it. I'm going to call it CRUD app. Then I'm stepping inside, and now it's time to launch Claude. However, the team agent feature so far is somewhat experimental. So we need to manually enable it by typing export Claude underscore code underscore experimental underscore agent underscore teams equals 1 ampersand ampersand, and then we type Claude. And now that we have launched Claude, we can test if we are actually in this experimental team agent mode, and we're just gonna prompt Claude now and ask it, what team agent skills do I have? Okay, and now to make sure that you are in this experimental team agent mode, you should see a message like this. You don't currently have any custom team agent skills defined. This is expected because we just launched Claude without any team agent skills that we now need to create. Okay, so the next step is to create 3 team agent skills, and we're gonna prompt that. So we're gonna say create 3 team agent skills. First, the architect for planning the app structure. Then second, the developer for writing the code. And thirdly, the tester for testing it. Okay. And now we see that Claude asks for access to .claude. Okay, looks good. Okay. Okay, now as a result, Claude has created all 3 team agent skills in .claude/agents. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so let's open up a second terminal. And inside of our project folder, let's take a look around, and we see .claude, the subfolder. Let's step inside. Then there is another folder called agents. Let's have a look. And inside of agents, there are 3 markdown files that describe the team agent skill. So let's have a look at the architect. And here we can see that this is a role instruction. You are the architect responsible for planning application structure, designing system architecture, and making high-level technical decisions, and so forth. Okay, so this goes on for the other team agent skills as well. So if you have a look at the developer, we see you are the developer responsible for writing, editing, and implementing code based on plans and task assignments. And to sum it up, let's have a look at the tester MD. And here you are the tester, and so forth. Okay, great. Now I'm gonna go back to Claude. And here, now that we have created our team agent skills inside of markdown files, let's prompt the actual app here. And we're gonna say create a CRUD app. And by the way, CRUD stands for create, read, update, and delete. Okay. That shows a list of users that can be created, read, updated, and deleted. I'm sure that Claude knows this already. I just want to instruct Claude as precisely as possible. Okay, so this is the prompt for the app. Now I'm gonna add a description for the tech stack. So I'm gonna say as tech stack, use TypeScript, React, Express with TypeScript, and to keep it simple, let's just use JSON flat files. JSON flat files as database. Okay. And now this prompt is missing something, because now we want to use our team agent skills. Okay. And here I'm going to say use the existing team agent skills. And now we're explicitly going to say spawn 3 agents. Okay, and each of those agents should have 1 skill. So we're going to say 1 architect, 1 developer, and 1 tester. Have the agent team coordinate via tasks and report back to make sure that they interact. Okay, so this is the prompt. Okay, so let's run this prompt and let's see what happens. And I hope that I have enough tokens, because this should be really expensive token-wise. Okay, the first agent is spawned. Not sure which one or which type. How's the team doing? Okay, now I need to motivate them as well, huh? Okay, I'm gonna allow this by default. Why not? Sure, why not? Yeah, that's fine too. Okay. Yes. Okay. So it looks like the tester is not spawned yet. Yeah, sure. So the tester is notified. Mhm. I just hope that I have enough tokens to complete this app. Okay. Okay, so Claude tells me that the architect and developer are just waiting because the tester is working. Wow, the app is ready. Now it's time to start the app. So I'm gonna open up a new terminal and let's have a look at the project structure. And here we can see that we have a client and a server folder. I'm gonna start the server first. So I'm gonna step inside the server folder. And here I'm gonna try to run npm run dev. Okay, so the server is up and running on port 3001. I'm gonna open up a new terminal. I'm gonna go back to the front end. And here I'm going to hit npm run dev2. Okay, so now the front end is running on port 5173. Okay, so let's test the application that the agents have created. So now I'm seeing 2 example users here, which is great. So there's already some playground data. So let's add a new one. Let's add myself. And I'm gonna save that. This works. So now I'm gonna refresh the page. And the data is even persistent, which is awesome. Okay, I'm gonna view my record here, and I'm seeing that there's even a GUID up here, so it's already a unique record. So let's go back. Great, and I'm gonna delete the first row here. Okay, great. So now I'm gonna edit the first record here. I'm gonna say this is Bob Miller. Yeah. Go back, refresh the page, and it works flawlessly.